Alright guys, this is just a quick install video on how to install our hidden spring kickstands on a Honda Shadow. This is a 600, but same principle would apply to a 750. You're going to grind a little divot into your frame here. I'm going to use this little 1/4-inch carbide burr on an air grinder. You could use it on, or you could probably use a flap wheel or a cutoff wheel or a Dremel or whatever. So you want your divot to be just over top of the pivot hole. So pretty simple. You're just going to come in here, grind your divot. If you're a little not confident about your placement, start with your divot a little higher and then you can always work your way in. So next thing you're going to do is take your kickstand. Included with the kickstand you get 2 little ball bearings, a spring, which you can see here sorta. I don't want to drop them, and a custom made stainless steel bolt. So that's what comes with the kit. What you're going to do is in the hole down in the kickstand you drop a ball, then you put your spring in. Then this is the trickiest part. You're going to drop your ball in, let it kind of land on top of your spring, then very gently slide this into position. And then from underneath, because it's a hidden bolt, you're going to work your bolt through the pivot in the frame. You'll kind of get 2 steps where it clicks in the first time, then you kind of move it around a little bit more and it'll find the center. You'll know when it's in there. Then you're going to just tighten up your bolt. You want this to be a snug fit, but you don't want to go crazy. You can put a little blue Loctite on it if you want. It is aluminum threads with a stainless bolt, so you don't want to go too crazy over tightening and strip out the kickstand. And then that's it. When you flip it up, the ball will snap into your little divot and hold your kickstand up. Pretty simple deal overall. So you could put a little divot on the front side here if you want, so that it'll lock in the divot. I find it to be unnecessary because when you put the bike on the kickstand, it's leaning forward and it kind of just locks it there anyway. And sometimes the extra divot makes the spring and ball want to hang up. So I just go like this, simple single divot, and it locks in. I don't know what else to say about it. That's it. These are available on our website, gattisgarage.bigcartel.com. This is a 1.5 inch short because the racer here is pretty low, and we have stock length and we have 1.5 inch extended for you long fork guys. So that's it.